Welcome back, smart shoppers. Today on Buy Smart, we're diving into the world of 3D printing. On the left, we have the ComGrow official Creality Ender 3. Let's just call it Ender 3 because who has the time, right? And on the right, we have the ELEGOO Saturn, which sounds like a car, but trust me, it's a 3D printer. So buckle up because things are about to get three-dimensional. All right, let's start with the price. Ender 3, coming in at a wallet-friendly $232. It's like the Costco of 3D printers. Great deals, but you might end up with more than you planned. On the other hand, the Saturn will set you back $352. For that price, it better print me a new wallet to replace the one it just emptied. Next up, assembly. Ender 3 claims you can put it together in about 2 hours with 20 nuts. Sounds like my weekend IKEA project minus the Swedish meatballs. Reviewers mention that it's relatively easy to assemble and a great learning experience for beginners. Meanwhile, the Saturn doesn't even bother to mention assembly. Maybe it comes pre-assembled, or maybe they just want you to figure it out like a 3D puzzle. One user did mention that setup was quick and easy, allowing them to start printing immediately. Let's talk tech. Ender 3 boasts an advanced extruder technology. It's like the Tony Stark of extruders, reduces plugging risk and bad extrusion, and moves noiselessly. If only it could do my taxes too. Reviewers appreciate its reliable performance and quiet operation. Saturn, on the other hand, is flaunting its 10-inch 12K mono LCD and Fresnel collimating light source. Sounds fancy, right? It's like the Rolls-Royce of 3D printers. Users are impressed with its build quality and precision, although some noted the prints stick too well to the build plate initially. Now, on to build volume. Ender 3 doesn't brag much here, but Saturn is like, look at me, I can print a small city. With a build volume of 218.88 x 122.888 x 250 cubic millimeters, you can print larger, more ambitious projects. Like a mini Eiffel Tower for all your tiny tourists. Reviewers of the Saturn appreciate the large build area, allowing for more creative freedom. Ender 3 has a resume printing function, which is great if you live in a blackout-prone area. It's like having a save button for your 3D prints. Reviewers highlight its usefulness and reliability. Saturn, however, promises a printing speed of up to 70 millimeters per hour and comes with a laser-carved build plate for excellent adhesion. It's like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, fast and precise. Users have praised its speed and print quality, though some had initial adhesion issues. And finally, software. Ender 3 keeps it simple with lifetime technical support. Reviewers appreciate the ongoing support and find it easy to use. Saturn, on the other hand, comes with VoxelDance Tango software. It offers 3 printing modes: static, smooth, and high speed. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for 3D printing. Plus, it's compatible with third-party software like ChitUbox and Lychee Slicer. So you can slice and dice your prints any way you like. Experienced users find it versatile and robust. Overall, reviewers find the Ender 3 to be a great budget-friendly option, especially for beginners. It offers reliable performance and is relatively easy to assemble. The Saturn, on the other hand, is praised for its high-tech features, large build volume, and excellent print quality, though it comes at a higher price point. Both printers have their strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. So there you have it, folks. The battle of the 3D printers. Ender 3 is your go-to for a budget-friendly, easy-to-assemble option with solid performance. Saturn is for those who want top-notch quality, speed, and are willing to pay a premium for it. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep buying smart and printing in 3D.